Okay, we're going to try now for a trial run of the, well, not really a trial run, more like a final run of the KDS-18 dishwasher. I've got a old piece of shower curtain fitted in between the gasket and the body because we're going to have the door open here, and got a light set up inside, which is a bulb sealed in an old mason jar, and we've got it loaded with some what are those, lampshades. So let's see here. Now, when I tried to run this before, the motor was started swung. So we're going to this time get the seized, and if it works, we'll see how it works. If he's running for a mop and bucket and maybe a fire extinguisher, who knows. But and there's soap in here. Close the doors, and we're going to run a normal wash. Oops. Door's closed now. Normal wash. We'll just leave the, actually, yeah, better make it safe, make it a short wash just in case, because this thing does leak. So, and with the door open, probably going to leak a little bit more. And turn the heat off. Don't need the heat to be on because we're going to be using cold water anyway. Okay, so let me set up the tripod, turn the water on, and cross my fingers. Okay, water's on. Oops, forgot to plug it in. Okay, water's on, and here goes nothing. Okay, I think it should be doing a little bit more than that. Let's try this again. Okay, second try. Okay, I think I know what the problem was. It was, I think, because I hit the wash button before I hit the short wash button. Being that it's a mechanical timer, it jogs it ahead and it just kind of got stuck. I think, let's try it again. Okay, let's just try it on normal wash, see if that works. If it doesn't work, I'm just going to dump water in it and that'll work. we go. That's a little better. Whoa, we got a leak. The water pouring out the side. Ooh. Oops. Uh-oh. Okay. Well, guess I should have made the curtain a little bit longer there, but it was just pouring out the bottom of the door right here onto the floor. But as you can see, the one soap door popped open and it actually was working. I guess before it was just wetting the dishes, I don't know. But I still think there was something with the timer messed up because I hit the button. But that kind of gives you an idea of how these things wash. But maybe I can try and do something with the curtain or